Welcome to studypoodle.io. In this video, we are going to cover the template tab. So after clicking on the template, you will see an add template button at the top right corner. After you click on that, you will see a page where you can enter the template name, let's say greetings. And in the content, you can mention the content you frequently used. And in the signatures, whatever you use, you can put that here. So this way you can save your time. And if you want to format it, you can change formatting as well by using these top formatting options. At the bottom of that, you can see there is a status checkbox. So if you click on the status, it will be active. Like being in active status or template means that this template will be visible in the communication or chat box. So click on it if you want to use it. But if you don't want to use it, you can save it just without checking on status button. Click on this status to make it active, and after that click on add template. So once you add the template, it will appear like this. Here, the one I have just created. Here you can see this is active, and here you can see which template it is. So right now, in the action button, there is an option to edit it and to delete it. So where it is going to appear, let me cover that also. When you click on student applications, and for any application, you click on view profile. Let me cover that. Yes. So when you click on this view profile button, at the bottom you will see a yellow color icon at the bottom right corner. So after clicking on this chat box, you will see there is a select template. So this is a feature. So you can select that template and mention your content and click on send button. So this way it saves your time. And if you want to create multiple templates, that you can do as well. Thank you for watching this video.